You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English, vocabulary, how to pronounce. There are two slightly different ways of pronouncing it. Firstly, federal. That's more the British English pronunciation, UK, federal, with 3 syllables and a d sound in the middle. Stress on the first syllable, federal. Now, some, especially in the US, just skip pretty much entirely the second d syllable and say federal. Federal, so you remove the E and just link up the D and the R, federal, which is also correct. So federal or federal. Did you hear it? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.